Hey there guys, during Thanksgiving here. I'm going to be trying to be super quiet, but today I went on a little run from, I had some money, well, enough money to get me some Funko Pop vinyls. If you'd like to see more of these kind of, I basically don't, I've gotten these before in the past. If you see my collection, I've never done this, but I just didn't have a video to record today, and I didn't have anything planned, so I thought we could do this. Now, I went to FYE today, picked up this one. It's pretty sweet. Some Macho Man, yeah. Randy Savage, FYE exclusive. Okay. Now, I like to keep them in the boxes, but I will open them and hold them, unless they are the bobbleheads. They're the bobbleheads, I don't open them. Oh, quite flimsy. Wee. It's the Macho Man. I'm not gonna put it back in the box now, but just get it ready to be put back in the box. And then I picked up this one today. Lord of Voldemort. Never actually watched any of the Harry Potter movies, but this was on sale for $5 and I'm kind of badass. I've seen there we go. Lord of Voldemort. Pretty badass. Okay. And then I also picked up this one, but I'm not going to open it since it is in the box, because I like to keep them nice, and sometimes they just get hard to put back in and ruin. But I got the Yoda. And then we got, this is a Target exclusive, Rowdy Piper. Sorry guys, but it's like hot in here, so I got the fan. It's making noise. Rowdy Piper. Pretty badass. And then we got T60 Power Armor Fallout 4. Now this one's like, as soon as I saw this, where did I find? I found this at Target. As soon as I saw this, I immediately grabbed it and threw it in the cart. It's gonna be epic to hold this. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Now this is badass. This over this side. Ooh, careful. And then I also got this one. I'm not going to open it though, it's really big. Jeez, yeah, that's going to take me forever to get out of the box. I like to keep the big ones nice too. And then here we go. Dog meat, GameStop exclusive, Power Up Rewards exclusive. This one's kind of stuck in there. Ooh. Okay. This really has that like feel to it. I like this one. Yeah, that has that feel to it. Ooh. Yeah. That's definitely a top buy of the day. But that one's definitely back in the box. Okay, definitely top buys of the day. I'm going to put this one at number 1. I'm going to put dog meat at number 2. And then I'm going to put the Macho Man at number 3. And then probably Voldemort at 4. Because that Voldemort was a really good deal. But this one's just badass, man. I've been looking for the keychain one of this to put on my keychain. This one, fell in love with it. Look at that, sexy. Okay, wow. What are they? Okay. So, yeah, I won't unbox these ones, but if you want to go watch people unbox these, you can go do that. They're just really big, and I don't want to do that. But thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to hit that sub button if you want to see more hauls in the future, like any type of hauls. I do unboxing videos. This will be included in that. But if you ever want to see like more Funko Pop hauls, I think I will be getting paid soon. So I'll probably go out and get a couple. So if you want to see some, definitely. I'm definitely, because I like having a whole Star Wars one. So any Star Wars ones I get, I won't do an unboxing of because it is the bobbleheads. And I don't want to ruin it, so just thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that sub button, really does help out a lot. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And check out my other people's channels, my friends and stuff, in the description box below. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Man, isn't that just amazing? Man, I'm definitely going to have to look for the keychain. To close off this video, we'll do in. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Slapping in Slim Jim. I think that's what he says. See you guys later.